Good day. Let's have a closer look at the interior mechanism of handcuffs. The teeth of the lock bar, located inside the handcuff, are hooking into the teeth of the single bar, or ratchet. Let's look at the movement of the key when opening handcuffs by releasing the single bar. When you turn towards the single bar, it will bring down the lock bar, releasing the teeth. Let's see how easy handcuffs can be picked using a paper clip. And using a shim, or bobby pin. Let's now look at the double lock mechanism. Pushing inward the double lock slot will move the double lock bar into position. This will now prevent the lock bar to move. Let's look at the movement of the key. When you turn away from the single bar, it will push the double lock bar into its initial position. Double locking the handcuffs will prevent them from tightening on the wrist, and will make them harder to pick. You now have a better understanding of how the handcuffs are working, and the importance of double locking the device. Thank you for watching.